Today on How to Sublimate, I'm going to show you how to create coasters. Print your transfer using your sublimation printer and remove the protective film, heating it on the base of the heat press to make it easier to remove. Then remove carefully and don't touch the surface of the coaster with your fingers, and make sure the surface is clean and free of any dust. Then place face down on the printed transfer, position so it is centrally within the bleed. Then secure in position using the heat resistant tape. I like to use 2 pieces of tape on the same side of the coaster, and this will act as a hinge, making it easier to remove from the press once it is complete. Then place it into the heat press so that the printed transfer is on top, being careful not to adjust the position of the printed transfer in the coaster. Then press the recommended time, temperature and pressure. And once the time has elapsed, open the heat press, then pick up the printed transfer and allow the product to cool. Thanks for watching, and remember, full details on how to create these products, including time, temperature and pressure settings, can be found on the GJS knowledge base at help.gjs.co.